Today we are making a stuffing with our gold medal pork sausages, and it's going with a beautiful chicken roast. So the sausages you just remove from the casing, some chopped garlic, chopped red chili, salt and pepper, 3 cups of breadcrumbs, 2 leeks that's been chopped, fried, and then just cooled down a little bit, whole grain mustard. We're going to get into this with our hands. So the deboned chicken that we got, we stuffed with our beautiful gold medal pork sausage stuffing. So just on top, a couple of slices of butter, salt and pepper to the butter, into the oven.